Hey there, join us in today's video as we unveil the 6 best products. The AQUASTRONG 18-inch sand filter pump, your ultimate solution for maintaining a sparkling, crystal-clear in-ground pool, and optimal filtration for pools of up to 28,000 gallons, providing efficient water circulation and filtration to keep your pool pristine. The built-in timer allows for customizable operation, allowing you to set the pump to run at convenient intervals for optimal energy efficiency. Readied with a 6-way valve, including options for filtration, backwashing, rinsing, recirculating, draining, and closing to suit your specific pool maintenance needs. Whether you're clearing debris, balancing chemicals, or simply ensuring optimal water clarity, the AQUASTRONG pump has you covered. Constructed with durability in mind, the AQUASTRONG pump features high-quality materials and a corrosion-resistant tank, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh pool environments. Intex 1500 GPH, a straightforward yet sophisticated sand filter pump, surpassing conventional cartridge filters with its versatile 6-function control panel, simplifying maintenance tasks. This innovative system offers options for backwashing, rinsing, recirculating, draining, filtering, and system closure, ensuring effortless upkeep. Keep your swimming oasis pristine and free from sand particles with our sand filter pump featuring a strainer basket, extending the sand's lifespan and facilitating easy cleaning. With a built-in 24-hour timer, you can effortlessly schedule automatic filtration cycles, reducing the need for daily maintenance. The inclusion of hydro-aeration technology enhances water circulation and filtration, elevating water clarity, crafted with a robust 10-inch tank and a durable pump enclosure, complemented by ergonomic handles for enhanced protection. Extreme Power US. With price tag that go into the thousands of dollars, a pool filter's replacement can quickly become a major investment. That's why this sand filters from Extreme Power is such a nice option. It boasts an flow rate of 40 gallons per minute, which is enough to service in 24,000-gallon pools. Multi-port controls located on the filter's lid allows the user to change the filter's flows to handle rinsing, filtrations, backwashing, and even winterizing with just the turns of a lever. With a flow rates of 800 gallons per hour, a large pressures gauge make it easy to see when it's time to backwash the filters. Water circulates efficiently through the pool pump. In addition to being affordable, this filters is also versatile, since it will works with both in-ground and above-ground pools. Best way. Included with the filter is the ChemConnect dispenser, which maintains a gentle and skin-friendly water environment by consistently delivering an optimal level of chlorine evenly distributed throughout the entire pool. Unlike traditional filter cartridges that require replacement every 2 weeks, a sand filter pump utilizes silica sand that lasts up to 3 years. Please note that sand is not included with the product. For added convenience, this product comes pre-assembled, ready for immediate use. Featuring a top flange clamp design with 360-degree rotation, installation is swift and seamless. The sand effectively traps dirt and debris within a durable, corrosion-resistant filter tank, while a pre-filter strainer basket captures larger debris such as leaves, hair, and dirt, ensuring prolonged pump durability for many summers of use. Vivor. This sand pump designed for above-ground pools boasts 5 distinct functions: filter, backwash, rinse, waste, and winter modes, accessible via a user-friendly handle. Effortlessly switch between these modes to ensure thorough and comprehensive cleaning of your pool. The high-speed copper wire motor operates at a rotation speeds of up to 3450 revolutions per minute, guaranteeing continuous and efficient performance. With a Type 3 waterproof rating, the motor remains resilient against rainwater intrusion. Experience the durability and efficiency of our motor, equipped with overload protection for prolonged operation and an extended lifespan. Constructed with a reinforced thermoplastic casing, this sand filter pump offers both portability and corrosion resistance, making it an optimal choice for maintaining pristine water quality consistently. The 0.33 HP sand filter pump delivers an impressive water flow of up to 1585 gallons per hour. Swimline Hydro Tools Combo Set, your all-in-one solution for efficient pool filtration and maintenance. This combo set includes a durable sand filter tank, a sturdy stand, and a multi-port valve, providing everything you need for crystal-clear pool water. With a generous 24-inch diameter tank and a 300-pound sand capacity, this filter set is designed to handle the filtration needs of pools of various sizes, ensuring optimal water clarity and cleanliness. The included multi-port valve offers 6 different filtration options. Made from high-quality materials, the Swimline Hydro Tools filter tank and stand are built to withstand the rigors of continuous use in harsh pool environments, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance. Upgrade your pool filtration system with the Swimline Hydro Tools 24-inch sand filter combo set and enjoy sparkling, crystal-clear water all season long. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel